Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Women. Today we will explore some beautiful hand embroidery designs and ideas. Whether you are a beginner or already enjoy embroidery, these ideas will inspire your next project. Hand embroidery is one of the oldest and most beautiful crafts. With simple tools like a needle, colorful thread, embroidery fabric and a hook, you can create amazing handmade art. Floral embroidery is always our favorite. Small flowers, vines and leaves look beautiful on dresses, shirts, scarves, tablecloths. You can use your favorite colors to make your design unique. Geometric patterns are also a great choice. Straight lines, circles and simple shapes create a modern and elegant style. These designs are easy to stitch and perfect for beginners. You can also add embroidery names or meaningful words to your projects. Personalized embroidery makes wonderful gifts for birthdays, weddings and special occasions. Mixing different embroidery stitches add texture and beauty. Combining satin stitch, French knots, chain stitch and seam stitch creates a rich and detailed design. Practice is the key to improving your embroidery skills. Every new project teaches you something new. Don't worry if your first design is not perfect. Keep practicing and you will become more confident with every stitch. Embroidery is also a relaxing activity. Many people enjoy stitching after a busy day because it helps reduce stress and bring peace of mind. You don't need expensive materials to get started. A few colorful embroidery threads, a needle, fabric and an embroidery hoop are enough for more beautiful projects. Once you finish your embroidery, you can frame it as wall art or decorate cushion covers, tote bags, pillowcases and clothing. Handmade embroidery adds beauty and personality to everyday times. Thank you for spending your time with us today. We hope that these embroidery ideas inspire you to start your next creative project. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You will be back soon with more easy hand embroidery tutorials, creative ideas and stitching tips. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with the beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.